The video opens with a highly energetic and intriguing scene, a van completely filled with Amazon packages. At first, this looks like a dream scenario, hundreds of mystery boxes waiting to be opened. The creator builds suspense immediately by hinting that something unusual is about to happen, but he doesn't reveal the twist yet. Instead, he calls his family downstairs, creating anticipation and curiosity. When the family arrives, they are told that Christmas came early, which instantly raises excitement. They rush outside, eager to see what surprises await them. The sheer number of packages creates a sense of scale and wonder. It feels like an unlimited shopping spree. However, this excitement soon transforms into confusion and surprise when the first item is revealed, a tiny iPhone. This unexpected reveal changes the entire tone of the video. The big twist, a world of mini products. The creator finally reveals the main concept. Every product in the van is a mini version of popular Amazon items. What initially seemed like a generous and luxurious haul now becomes a playful and challenging experience. This twist is clever because it flips expectations. Instead of convenience and usefulness, the family now faces limitations and difficulty. To make things more interesting, the creator introduces a competition. Family members must complete various challenges using only these mini items. The winner will receive a large, valuable prize at the end. This instantly raises the stakes and adds a competitive edge, transforming simple unboxing into an engaging game. Phase 1. Creative Mini Challenges. 1. Selfie Challenge. Mini technology versus creativity. The first challenge involves taking selfies using tiny phones. This task seems simple at first, but the small size of the device makes it surprisingly difficult. Participants must rely on creativity rather than technology, adjusting angles, lighting, and expressions carefully. This challenge highlights an important idea. Even when tools are limited, creativity can still produce impressive results. One participant focuses on aesthetics and lighting, while the other brings personality and humor into the photo. The judge ultimately chooses the better image, showing that presentation matters more than equipment. 2. Mini claw machine, skill versus precision. The next challenge introduces a miniature claw machine. While claw machines are already difficult in real life, shrinking them makes the task even more frustrating. The players struggle with control, timing, and coordination. This round emphasizes patience and persistence. The winner is the one who manages to adapt to the limitations and successfully grab a toy. The challenge is not just luck, it's about adjusting to an unfamiliar system. 3. Smoothie Challenge, functionality versus effort. The third challenge is one of the most entertaining, making smoothies using tiny utensils and a miniature blender. This task turns into chaos as participants struggle to cut fruit with tiny tools and operate a weak blender. This segment cleverly shows the gap between appearance and functionality. While the mini tools look cute and interesting, they are not practical. Despite this, both participants manage to create something edible, and a judge determines the winner based on taste. This moment reinforces a key theme. Effort and adaptability can overcome limitations, even when tools are inefficient. Phase 2. Increasing difficulty and chaos. As the video progresses, the challenges become more intense and unpredictable. Mini drone race. Participants must fly tiny drones through a complex path. The lack of experience combined with the sensitivity of controls leads to crashes and confusion. This challenge highlights how skill becomes even more important when dealing with smaller, harder to control devices. Finger soccer. Instead of using their feet, players use their fingers to play soccer. This creative twist turns a familiar sport into something completely new. It requires precision, quick reactions, and coordination. Mini Rubik's Cube. Solving a Rubik's Cube is already difficult, but doing it on a tiny version makes it even more frustrating. This challenge tests patience, problem solving, and fine motor skills. Leaf blower maze. Players must guide a ball through a maze using a miniature blower. This requires careful control and steady movement, showing that even simple tasks become challenging when scaled down. Mini pole game. Accuracy becomes the main focus here. Players must carefully aim and execute shots, proving that precision is key in small-scale environments. Final mini challenge and climax. The final round involves mini water guns. The objective is straightforward: hit the opponent first. The simplicity of the challenge contrasts with the difficulty of previous rounds. The result ends in a tie, meaning both participants share the grand prize, a giant version of AirPods. This creates a satisfying conclusion to the mini product phase, as the reward is the opposite of everything they used: large, powerful, and fully functional. Phase 3. Exploring the worst Amazon products. After the mini challenges, the video introduces a completely new concept, testing the worst-rated Amazon products. This shift keeps the content fresh and unpredictable. A scavenger hunt begins, where participants search for hidden items around the house. Each product is tested to determine whether it deserves its poor rating. This segment highlights a real-world issue. Online shopping can be misleading. Products that look good online may fail in reality. Examples include weak or ineffective dodgets, poorly designed toys, products that don't match their descriptions. This part of the video blends humor with consumer awareness. Phase 4, absurd and funny experiments. The video then explores bizarre and unconventional products, adding a comedic element. Candy with strange flavors like pizza or fried chicken, unusual utensils that are difficult to use, prank items that create funny reactions. These moments focus on entertainment and reactions, showing how unusual products can create memorable experiences, even if they are impractical. Phase 5, testing banned items. The next segment introduces items that have been banned due to safety concerns. This adds a serious undertone to the video. Examples include dangerous toys that can cause injuries, high-powered gadgets that are difficult to control, items that pose risks to children. This part highlights the importance of safety and responsible product design. It contrasts with earlier playful segments, reminding viewers that not all products are harmless. Phase 6, the $50,000 mystery box, high-stakes finale. The final and most dramatic segment involves a $50,000 mystery box. This introduces real financial risk, raising the stakes significantly. As the boxes are opened, emotions shift rapidly. Disappointment when cheap or useless items appear, excitement when valuable items are discovered, suspense as the total value gradually increases. Key discoveries include collectible cards and electronics, design items and gaming consoles, a luxury watch that significantly boosts the total value. Despite these valuable finds, the final result reveals a loss of about $11,000. This ending reinforces the unpredictability of mystery purchases. Overall themes and deeper meaning. This video is more than just entertainment. It subtly explores fretful ideas. 1. Expectations versus reality. What seems exciting at first, Amazon packages, mystery boxes, may not always meet expectations. 2. Creativity under limitations. Many challenges show that creativity and adaptability are more important than having perfect tools. 3. Consumer awareness. Testing bad and banned products highlights the importance of researching before buying. 4. Risk and reward. The mystery box demonstrates how high-risk decisions can lead to unpredictable outcomes. Conclusion. The video successfully combines multiple engaging elements: fun and creative challenges, humor and unexpected moments, real-life lessons about products and purchasing decisions. By moving through different themes, mini items, bad products, banned items, and mystery boxes, it keeps viewers constantly engaged. The mix of competition, storytelling, and unpredictability makes it both entertaining and meaningful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.